So hey guys, this is Anshuman again and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the levels we discussed yesterday, how they have performed and how can we plan the trade for tomorrow. So as we discussed yesterday, these are the levels which we are going to look forward today. Remove this part apart. Till here we discussed. Now what happened? The market opened as we discussed. If we get a 5-minute bullish candle, we will go long. But that was not the case. The market started with a red candle, but it was a bullish pin bar kind of candle. So you could have gone long, but in my personal opinion, I wouldn't, because the next resistance was, just a second, the next resistance was quite very close. Like if you can look over here, you would have got this profit. If you would have gone long over here, you just got this, and this would be your risk. So should you trade this trade? No, because your risk reward ratio is very bad. If you want a video on risk reward ratio, because you have heard it many times from very professional traders, that what is risk reward ratio, we'll discuss in depth in a complete new video. So if you want, just mention it in comments. I'll make a new video on what is risk reward ratio. So in my opinion, I wouldn't have gone long over here. So this reason is not my personal view. Although I said to everyone that I would be planning to go long because the market is an uptrend. But not now. I'm not planning to go long right now, just because if you look towards the market is perform, as we discussed, if there's a price action we will be planning to go short. But if we look forward today's day, just a second, in 5 minutes time frame, you will clearly look that the market was performing a price action in the morning, as we discussed. In the morning the market will be bullish, but as soon as the day went, we can look that the market went in downtrend. If you look clearly from here, right? See, double top, resistance hit to resistance was hit. Then we got a double bottom sort of thing. Then this resistance was created. This level was acting as a resistance. Then the market went in consolidation near support. As we discussed, if there is a consolidation near a support or resistance, it's highly likely to break. And that's what happened in the market, guys. The market broke that resistance level, and now what we will be looking is a clear 5-minute candle close below this level, and we'll be going short because the market has formed the price action near a very keen level. As you look forward, this is a very keen level. It's sort of double top kind of pattern. So what I will be doing right now is I'm planning to go short tomorrow. But if we look towards the global indices, they are not in very much favor with my idea. You can look like Hong Kong is down, and your Indonesia is down. Japan is quite good, right? Malaysian, Philippines, most of the markets, but these are not very mature markets. They are in downside. But if you look, one of the most mature market, which is Japan's market, it's on upside. So let's look at Dow Jones. It's showing a negative signature right now. We will be looking towards where it closes and the opening of SGS Nifty. That's after when we'll be planning our trades. So if we look forward on S&P 500, it's also down, as they both are indexes of United States only, and they both are down. So this clearly indicates that the market is in downtrend. And if we go towards put call ratio, so the more you can see, the most written calls, just a second, the put is written more, right? 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 71 lakh puts are written, and 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So yeah, the market is quite bullish. If we look, the more puts are written according to option chain. If we look, the market is quite bullish. What happened right now? Strike price, none, expiry of this expiry. We want the expiry of 29th of July. Yeah, there we go. Now we should look towards it. Yeah, the puts are more written. That means the market is planning to go long. So our Indian markets, according to the option chain, are long, but the charts are clearly indicating that the market will be negative tomorrow. So let's look for, the market is quite mixed. So I'll be highly dependent on the opening of the market by SGX Nifty. If it's a gap up or gap down, I'll not be trading for the next 20 minutes and wait. If the market closes below this level of 15-minute candle, or it forms a sort of price action for the upper side in a smaller time frame, that's what I would be looking for tomorrow's market. Now let's mark the important levels. If you look closely, you can see a simple trend line over here, right? You can draw this trend line. So the market should open over here, hit the trend line and continue. That could be one possibility. The resistance is completely fine, which we drawed yesterday. It's completely working. We can have a level over here because it's respected this level quite a few times. And this level, if you guys trading in a very small time frame, then don't give this level a very much like heavy weightage, but yeah, this level can also work, right? Oh, just a second. So this is what we are planning in Nifty. The Nifty is in downtrend. Maybe it can break the trend line, form of price action on this support level, and boom. This can be a possibility, but I'm not sure. The charts are not looking very good for a bullish momentum. But yeah, according to the option chain, the market is quite bullish. So wait for 20 minutes, look towards the price action, because my opinion is quite mixed. I'm not sure. Maybe I will not trade in these zones, right? I will not trade till this in these green zones unless it's breakouts or breakdowns in a particular line. That's what I would be planning, and look at the closing of. I would highly recommend you to look at the closing of these Dow Jones and S&P 500 and where the SGS Nifty has opened. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. And I would love if you would like and subscribe my video, because this helps channels like mine to grow very fast. Because if I'm providing you value, then please hit that thumbs up button, because it gives me a lot of motivation to make daily analysis video for you guys. Oh, let's look at Bank Nifty ones, right? But all the Bank Nifty will be quite same as Nifty, right? They both are like brother and it's quite different, right? The levels we discussed perfectly worked. There is no doubt in that, the levels we discussed. And now what? Listen guys, if the market opens gap down tomorrow, and it's a quite consolidation kind of thing, so the option premiums would be very less. So if the market gaps down or gap ups, that would also increase option prices very ridiculously if you trade in options, or maybe in futures it's completely a different scenario. But if you look towards this chart, what we have noticed is if there are consolidation in the market, whenever it breakouts or breakdown, it gives us a good momentum. As we look towards this chart, the price is again and again hitting this level of 35,000, and as we discussed and I also saw in Nifty today, that if a level is again and again tested by price and having a consolidation near that price, it will break. So it's again and again testing it, but the consolidation is on the lower side. So here also the weakness is in market, and if we mark levels, this is the only level which I can see currently right now, and this one, if you would, now this one is not a very good level. So this is the only level which I can see right now in the market, and there is no level. If it breaks down, we can have a momentum till here, and you can catch up a risk reward of also 1:4 if you are an option buyer, or a seller. 1:4 is a great thing, right? If you are an option seller. So that's it guys for the Bank Nifty, and keep liking and subscribing the video if you are liking the content. That's it from my side. Hope you enjoyed the video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing, because in stock market, the one who learns is the one who earns. Thank you guys.